Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: Gamestick, its power adapter, and an HDMI cable. Plug the Gamestick into the TV HDMI port. If space is tight, use a short HDMI extension. Next, connect the power adapter to the Gamestick and an outlet. This supplies stable power and prevents disconnects. Turn on the TV and select the matching HDMI input. You should see the Gamestick boot screen. If nothing appears, make sure the TV input changed and the Gamestick LED indicates power. Then proceed to pairing. Once the Gamestick boots, pair your controller. Plug in via USB for instant pairing or use Bluetooth pairing mode as indicated by the controller lights. Navigate to Settings, then Network, choose your Wi-Fi SSID, and enter the password exactly. Case and symbols matter. After connecting, check for system updates. Apply them to ensure compatibility with games and controllers. If Wi-Fi signal is weak, consider a USB Ethernet adapter or move the router closer. Stable network improves downloads and online play noticeably. Finalize setup by signing into your Gamestick account and syncing cloud saves, then download or launch a game to test. Go into display settings and set resolution to match your TV, typically 16:9 formats, then adjust audio output to TV or receiver. Make sure controller mapping feels correct before playing. If you run into trouble, power cycle the Gamestick and TV, reset HDMI and power connectors, and try a different HDMI port or cable. If problems persist, check for firmware updates or try a wired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.